Keurig. I always make a batch of cocoa every day. So that's what we're making right now. I put it on the 8-ounce for the water. And you just put the Keurig dispenser in here and shut it, and it just starts working. What do you think, buddy? We're adding vinyl adhesive underneath the island. This is what it looks like without, and this is how we're putting it on now. And I'm absolutely in love with the pattern and the coloring. So my kitchen's gonna be mint and navy blue. Got navy blue chairs. I have mint dishes, and then it even has beige in it, which matches the tile floor perfectly. Here's how we're putting up the chair rail for this room. And we're going to put another one up on top to cover up that gap right there where you don't have any adhesive, because the builder didn't have the ceiling quite level. Hello, welcome to the D'Angelo, and here is a quick walkthrough of how we decorated it. Okay, so this condo is about 1,300 square feet. It has a detached garage. It has 2 bedrooms plus a den. So in the den, there's no window or closet, but it has double pane doors. And this is the entrance. This is a brand new construction built by Lennar. And so we have the beautiful tile. It's probably 18 by 18. And so this way is, I'll take you there a second, but we will go straight down here. And so we decorated it, or I decorated it with kind of a boho chic, Florida beachy inspiration. So we have this long hallway, and I put this really long blue rug runner here. These doors have the washer and dryer. So let's just go ahead and check it out. So this first door to the right is the master bedroom. And I went ahead and did this beautiful bloom palm leaf vinyl adhesive. It can easily come off, or not easily, but it can come off if you pull it really hard. And I went ahead and did this navy blue velvet headboard, so gorgeous, and bed frame that you can see. We did the white comforter and white sheets and pillowcases because everybody wants to make sure, you know, the linens are clean when they come and stay at a place. So I put up some blue and white pictures, yes, our Roscoe, with a golden frame And so we have hints of gold in here. We have gold on the handles for the white nightstands, and then gold on the dresser. And so we actually found this dresser at an estate sale for $50, and we bought it and painted it. It was originally a gray. Hung up some navy blue curtains, putting up a TV, and over here we have the master closet, second master closet, linen closet, and master bathroom. So again, the tile is here. We hung up some more towel racks. We have the beautiful granite counters. We bought some soap and toothbrush holders. We added this towel rack, this robe hook. We actually added this shower glass door because we're on the first floor, and they quit putting shower glass doors on the first floor to make it handicap accessible. So we actually put one in because all the other condos have a shower door, so we wanted to make this one the same. So over here, and we brought this beautiful 3D picture at Hobby Lobby. You can see the stones in there. And over here, it opens up to our beautiful kitchen with a huge, huge island and living room. So let's check it out. We have the same granite countertops here. Again, I added a beautiful vinyl adhesive in the kitchen. I did it to where it looks like a tile mosaic. So I did that along the backsplash. We have beautiful white Quaker cabinets with silver handles. And over here, I added some more of the same blue vinyl adhesive to give it that beachy ocean vibe. I got these beautiful bar stools. I believe I got these at Amazon or Overstock. And when I remember, I put the link below. We just have this humongous island. It can fit 4 bar stools, as you can see. It has the silver faucet, the silver sink, silver or stainless steel refrigerator. We got the stove, oven, microwave, and dishwasher. Everything, you know, came with this when we bought it. Then this is our beautiful dining room. Again, I carried out the Florida inspiration vibe. I had this blue rug, so I got to repurpose this. Bought these beautiful blue chairs at Overstock. Originally, the legs on the chair were a white beige, similar to the color of the tile. I took them off and spray painted them brown to match this beautiful brown table that I got at Amazon. I got these pretty straw, like wicker looking placemats. And I think I got these at Target. We got the square dishes at Target. I wanted something different, so we did square plates and square bowls. Cute little salt and pepper shaker from Target. These adorable boat paddles from Hobby Lobby. We had these curtains previously, so I got to repurpose them. And check out this gorgeous light. It's like a seashell stone. And it's so beautiful when it lights up. So we had to hang up this light. It didn't have a light here. We actually installed all of the ceiling fans. There was no ceiling fans here. So here's our beautiful living room. We actually had this rug prior, so we got to repurpose this rug. And again, it just worked with the color scheme with the blue and the white. And we got this beautiful sectional from Overstock. No, I apologize. Big Lots, from Big Lots. This table is a little coffee table from Amazon. It has a pretty marble design look on it. And this beautiful, this is called a buffet from Walmart, and it has the green handles again. And we put up the large TV. I think it's about a 65-inch. And this beautiful boat canvas that we found at Hobby Lobby. So we are just loving our blue and white color scheme out here in the main rooms. We also have a full back lanai that is screened in with these beautiful gray papers. So out here we put a beautiful rug with tables and this beautiful gray wicker table and these beautiful blue chairs and rug. And then we also, let me show you the den. So here's the den with the double doors. You can see that. We have this beautiful camel color futon. So this will turn into a double-sized bed, or, you know, a full bed. This beautiful canvas of the beach that we got from Amazon. It's just so beautiful. I love the colors in it. It matched really well with the camel leather. And so people can sleep in here. We also got this cute little desk, gold and white, so people can go ahead and set up their laptop in here. We have these really cute shelves that we still need to install above the desk. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. We just had to get everything ready for the photographer to come, so we ran out of time. So here's our beautiful home. Again, this is just where the water heater is, washer and dryer. Let me take you now to the guest bedroom and guest bathroom. So we have a beautiful guest bedroom where I decorate it with black, white, and gold. So again, we put up the beautiful vinyl adhesive, the chevrons pattern. We have these beautiful metal gold nightstands that we got from Amazon, and these really tall lamps with the gold stem and the white from Burlington. We got this beautiful black leather headboard from Overstock, and this comforter from Amazon and the throw pillows from Amazon. We got this blanket from Ross, a nice soft throw blanket. And then all of this artwork we got from Amazon, My Happy Place, Let's Stay Home. And this dresser, it's much smaller than I thought it was. It looked so much bigger online, but we got this from Overstock. It just matches really well with the black and the gold. And then these beautiful curtains, we got these from Walmart. I just liked it because it kind of reminded me of like the palm leaf pattern that we have. And then the last area is the bathroom. This is the guest bathroom. So again, we get the same granite throughout, the beautiful white shaker cabinets with silver handles, the beautiful 18-inch tile flooring. We have this gorgeous gray, yellow, and white bathroom. This was another shower curtain and bathroom set that I already had, so it was fun to repurpose that. I went ahead and bought some succulents, and we just hung everything up. Again, we added some more towel racks. You know, there's a lot of things that you have to do even to new construction to make it custom, and this is just where our HVAC is stored. So let's go out to the front lanai patio. Again, this is all covered patio, and it's screened in, and we installed this wonderful ceiling fan to keep cool out here. And so we bought this beautiful gray table, gray wicker chairs with the navy blue cushions, and this really pretty rug that has the navy blue and gray in it. So you can see it's a big area. It's about the size of a bedroom. And so this is a really big area. And then of course across the way is the door to our detached garage. And that is really full right now. So I won't show you that. But this came with a really pretty look with the shutters and with the exterior light. Of course, we have everything for safety, for fire alarms, smoke alarms. All these condos come with the Ring doorbell and with the key code, so that you just have to give your tenants a code and they have access. All right, great to see you. See you next time.